Hi guys, welcome to another Vlogmas. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 16. I hope you're all doing well. So in today's video, as you can tell already, I am just gonna be doing some light cleaning here and there, just tidying up, prepping for guests coming over for Christmas. I baked banana bread yesterday. I know it's a bit round because I couldn't find my loaf tin, so I decided to use the round one that I had. So that's why it's round, and I'm just cutting it into pieces. And guys, it's almost finished already. we swallowed it up pretty much. I was surprised, but yes, it tastes. It was really nice, and there's only two slices left now, unfortunately. So that means I would have to bake another one again um before Christmas. So I'm just doing some cleaning, some light cleaning here and there, and yeah, I hope you enjoy it, guys. I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, guys, please. I would really like for you to subscribe because it will really help my channel, and I also love it if you like this video as well, as it would really push my videos out um on YouTube. So thank you so much for please. So I got this Mr. Sheen multi-surface cleaner from B&M. It works for wood, plastic, metal, and everything. I thought I'd just give it a try because obviously Mr. Sheen is known for I think is it leather, no, for wood polishing. So I thought I'd give it a try. I've been using it. I've used it on my sink. I feel like it really polishes my sink actually because it's chrome. So, and I thought, I've not used it on the wood, so I thought I'll use it on the wood. Yeah, guys, so I think it's actually quite good, guys. I think, yeah, I would really recommend it. I think it actually did work. It just brought it back to life. I normally would use previously I'd used coconut oil, and it just gave it the same effect as when I use coconut oil. I believe, I guess coconut oil is more obviously friendly, than this. But yeah, yeah, but I like it anyway.
Com cabelos cor de mel singela, seu nome é Mabel, é uma menina cheia de vida. Se vamos para a praia, não esquece a sandália e se olha pro céu. casa está vazia um dia, também vou ficar e te ver crescer. Me faz tão feliz saber que você é você. Com cabelos cor de mel singela, seu nome é Mabel, é uma menina cheia de vida. Se vamos para a praia, não esquece a sandália e se olha pro céu. Se pudesse organizava a estrela. Se a casa está vazia um dia.
So yeah, guys. So I don't know if I've mentioned this before, but washing machine broke just in time for Christmas. So it's just perfect timing, isn't it? So yeah, my husband is just trying to do something about it over here. Yeah, something just needs replacing there, and we've ordered it. We're just waiting for it to be delivered. And at the same time, but right here, my husband was trying to see if the screwdriver that he got was small enough because he needed a smaller screwdriver. But turns out that it was not small enough. So I don't even know what's happening. We're not gonna have much. I think we're just gonna be naked this Christmas. Okay, I exaggerate, but we do have. I mean, I always stay on top of my washing anyway, so there's not much really to wash because I tend to wash every other night or every night sometimes depending on how it is. But so I tend to stay on top of it. But then again, they pile up very quickly, don't they? So I've done a few hand wash. I've had to do that here and there because it's been about how many days now? It's been broken. It's almost 5 days now. It's been broken. So, but I'm not panicking. No, we don't panic. So the whatever he ordered was supposed to arrive today actually, and we still haven't seen it. So, yeah, I'm not worried. I'm not too worried. I mean, but it would be nice to have washing machine working, to wash your clothes. So, by the way, guys, my new vacuum cleaner came in yesterday, and on first use, I would say it's nothing compared to my Henry. I must say that I feel like the suction is good. The suction is good, because I went by the reviews and the suction is good actually. But I feel like compared to Emery, it's not the same. I think it's because the hole obviously is a much smaller, slimmer one, so maybe that's why the hole is a bit smaller. But it does really grab things, and it's light, obviously, and I think that's what I enjoy most about it. It's just light and easy to carry around and use on every corner of your house. And like I said, I needed it for just a quick whiz around the house and just quick clean, and I think it's perfect for it. In case you don't know, the one I got is a shark one. I already have the steam mop, and I got I went by the reviews and it was not bad, so I decided to get it. And it's also got this car detailing thing, so it's got like attachments for use in the car, and that's one of the reasons why I got it as well. So it's got all this tiny little things that you can attach and you can use it for your car, so to grab all those small tiny areas in your car or even in your house as well actually. So that was one of the reasons why I got it as well. But it's so good to just whiz around the house. The suction is good. Like I said, compared to Henry, it's not the same, I must say. I think Henry is still much better, but for a quick whiz around the house walk is I think I like it. So over here, my plants has kind of been suffering. I hate seeing that yellow thing around it. It's to do with watering, I think is the issue. Um, so what I normally do when I have something like that is I just cut around it, and no one will ever know. How will they know? No one will ever know that. So that's why I just trim it, and I know it's kind of bad, really, you know, but I kind of enjoy it actually doing that. It just feels sort of artistic for me. I don't know why. I kind of enjoy doing it. I can't remember the name, but it does not like a lot of sun and it does very well in warm areas. So around this time of the year is really when it thrives. But when it gets yellow like that, I think it's to do with too much watering, because it doesn't like when there's too much water in it. And yeah, so I think that's what's happened there. And over here, I put this long candlestick on here to see if I like it. I only just did that yesterday, but I don't really like it, so I decided to switch it up. As I was saying that, I thought I wish I had gotten two of that lamp, but then again, I don't really like when it comes to things like that. I like to do different things, so that's why I'm putting this Christmas tree there, and then I found my reindeer as well. Put that there, and I think I like that because the shelf itself is the same, it's similar. So having to put something different there, I think is the whole idea. And this is where I'm gonna leave it, guys. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. There will not be a video tomorrow because I have got an event tomorrow and I don't think I'll be able to put a video up. So the next video I'm going to upload will be day 17 and day 18 together. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.